Hello, I'm Steven. Welcome to the New Trend Review. In this video, we'll explore why digestive health is so important for our overall well-being. You may be surprised to learn that poor digestion can lead to a wide range of health problems, from bloating and constipation to chronic diseases like inflammatory bowel disease and even cancer. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of our digestive system. Our digestive system is a complex network of organs and tissues that work together to break down the food we eat into nutrients and energy that our body needs to function properly. However, many of us don't give much thought to our digestion until we start experiencing symptoms like heartburn, indigestion, or diarrhea. By then, the damage may have already been done. Poor digestion can have serious consequences for our health, such as nutrient deficiencies, weakened immune system, and chronic inflammation. In fact, research has linked digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome and Crohn's disease to an increased risk of depression and anxiety. One of the main reasons why digestion can go wrong is due to imbalances in our gut microbiome, which is the community of trillions of bacteria that reside in our intestines. When harmful bacteria outnumber the beneficial ones, it can lead to inflammation, leaky gut, and other digestive problems. Other factors that can disrupt our digestive balance include stress, poor diet, and medications like antibiotics and antacids. Fortunately, there are natural supplements like Pro-X Digest that can help support digestive health by restoring the balance of beneficial bacteria in our gut. Pro-X Digest contains a blend of powerful enzymes and probiotics that work together to break down food, reduce inflammation, and improve nutrient absorption. Some of the key ingredients in Pro-X Digest include bromelain, a digestive enzyme derived from pineapples that can help break down proteins and reduce inflammation, papain, an enzyme from papaya that aids in the digestion of carbohydrates and fats, and aspergillus oryzae, a probiotic strain that helps to boost the growth of beneficial bacteria in our gut. Taking care of our digestive health is essential for our overall well-being. By understanding the risks and causes of digestive problems, we can take proactive steps to support our gut microbiome and prevent the development of chronic diseases. So, consider trying natural supplements like Pro-X Digest to support your digestive health today. The company is so confident in their product that they offer a unique 60-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you are not satisfied with your purchase, you can simply return the product within 60 days of purchase for a full refund. This is a great way to try the product risk-free and see if it works for you. It's important to note that to take advantage of the 60-day money-back guarantee, you must purchase Pro-X Digest from the official website. Buying from third-party retailers or other online platforms may result in purchasing counterfeit or expired products, which can be harmful to your health. Additionally, these sources may not offer the same money-back guarantee or customer service as the official website. So, if you're interested in trying Pro-X Digest to support your digestive health, make sure to purchase from the official website to ensure the highest quality product and to take advantage of the 60-day money-back guarantee. To help you out, we have left the link to the official website in the description of this video. We hope this video has helped you understand the importance of digestive health and how Pro-X Digest can support your gut microbiome naturally. We wish you all the best in achieving your health goals and hope you will consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos on natural health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and until soon.